Hello and welcome to World on a String Designs. Today I am going to be unboxing the Yarn Bliss box. This is a yarn subscription box from the Speckled Finch Studios. I get this in the Hardy Sock base every month. It's also available in DK, the bouncy DK, and also cozy worsted. So if you prefer a different base, that is available as well. So this is the January 2026 box. And this is the inspo pick, Follow Your Heart. Pull that right out of there. And on the back, we have a coupon code under here. So she often has items that are left over from previous boxes for sale on her website, which is great. Say if you got a tea that you liked and you just really want more of it. Sometimes you can find that. And subscribers get a 20% off discount. Anyone can buy from the site, but subscribers get a discount as a little perk. We have her socials and a QR code for our details of the box, pattern ideas, helpful tidbits, and this is a list of everything inside the box, which we are going to look at right now. We have, stitch markers from Knitting in the Wild. And these are little hearts, and then you can see there's one that's different, so that can be your end of round. It's a total of 5. So we have 4 open hearts and 1 solid heart. Very nice. We have an I Love Yarn sticker. That's gorgeous. And we have a yummy tidbit. Looks like possibly some kind of fudge covered cookie, maybe like a covered Oreo cookie with hearts on it. Very nice. And let's have a look at the yarn. Oh wow. Okay, so this is sort of like a smoky mauve. This is Love That For You. I really like this shade. Very nice. And then this is Follow Your Heart. And I just feel like there's a lot of depth to this color, and I love the way the two go together. That looks amazing. This I think would be very well suited for a brioche project. I think that would look just lovely. So if you like what you see and you are wanting to get your own subscription to the Yarn Bliss box, you will find an affiliate code listed in the video description. And also there is a code that if you use my code, my viewers will get $5 off your first box if you do decide to subscribe to the Yarn Bliss box. So there you have it, January 2026 Yarn Bliss box, and thank you for joining me, and we'll see you in the next video.